Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at how to unlock and start your Mustang if your key fob battery has died. Now, as a Mustang owner, you obviously know that the Mustangs come with a keyless entry and a remote start, which means there's no physical key, or at least it appears to be. So we are going to be looking at how you can get into your car, start your car if your key fob battery has died and you don't have a way to change the battery. Alright, now like I said, Mustangs come with a keyless door entry, so you pretty much put your hand behind it and it unlocks the car for you, just like that. But obviously if your key fob battery has died, you cannot really do that. But if you come down here, you can see that there's an insertion point right about here. This is for your key to be used. Now, with the key fob, obviously, it doesn't appear that it has a key, but obviously the key fob is going to have a key. I'm going to show you how to access the key. All right, so this is the key fob on your 2015 and up Mustangs, and if you notice that there is a slight button right here. So what we're going to do is press this and pull out the key. So you can see it separates it out. This is just the key fob part of it, but you do have a key that we can use to get in to the car. Let's go take a look at it. So you can use the key like we discussed into that slot and it should be able to unlock, okay? So once you've gotten this unlocked, now once you've got it inside the car, you still cannot start it because the fact that our cars have the remote start, and without the key, if it doesn't detect the key, you cannot start the car. So what you can do is, if you didn't know, with the cup holder right here, there is a hidden compartment that charges your battery and lets the system know that the key is in the system so you can start your car. So let's take a look at it. If you see that there's a tab right over here. So once you've located the tab, you're going to pull the tab and it's going to reveal this hidden compartment inside or underneath your cup holder. So now you're going to be taking your key this way, basically facing forward, and insert it here. What this does is it's going to charge your key fob, but also lets the computer know that the key is in the car, which means you can start your car. So go ahead, and once you've done that, go ahead, put your foot on the brake. If you've got a manual, obviously make sure it's in neutral, but if it's an auto, then just hold the foot on the brake and go ahead and start your engine. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it did help you out into how to unlock your Mustang and how to start your Mustang if your key fob battery has died. Again, once you have done that, it's easy to get into the car and start your car. But obviously I recommend getting a new battery when you can, but this is at least good enough for you to kind of avoid any of the sticky situation that you may find yourself across, especially if you've got the earlier ones like 2015, 2016 Mustangs. Your battery may be getting close to its age and may be dying frequently. So obviously get your battery replaced, but in a situation like that, do know that you can easily unlock your car and start your car to go wherever you want to buy the batteries from. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.